guys, it's Will the Trashman, and since I'm doing another kind of bigger set out, I'm doing another video of all the carts I'm putting out because I know a lot of you guys are interested in all my carts that I put out. So I'll start off over here with garbage. This is my normal 60 toter garbage. 32 Cascade that the sub driver missed, full of the garbage that was supposed to be dumped. The 98 Schaefer, since those two were full and that's my main garbage cart, I'm using just this as my normal garbage cart. My normal recycle cart, my 64 gallon Rarig, and then here's my other 64 toter, EVR for recycling, set out with cardboard, and this one with more cardboard. This is a 96 gallon Rarig. So yeah, that's the carts I have set out. I hope you guys will enjoy the next part of this video.